Good morning, sir. I am Pratyaksh, the team leader of my team Supernovas. We have made the project which is 6-axis GF robotic arm. So it is generally used in factories, in industries, and in robotic labs. So its main driver like in many factories, in many industries, some tasks are there, some works are there which is too dangerous for human lives. So this project can do it with more accuracy and more sustainability. Like a person is there, sir, and if I am telling him to go there and bring the items here, but and go there, so he will take time, sir. But the robots can. Robots can't. Robots will not take time. It will just if I am programmed it. If I'll program it to do the same thing, then it will take this object, pick the object, and place it there only, sir. we have we have attached with it a computer vision which is fully based on AI. First it needs current to be supplied, and so it is Arduino Nano. It is Arduino Nano. It is having camera sensor because we are controlling it with our hands. We have trained our laptop camera to how it will catch our hand movement, that how it will work. If we have to use our both hands, sir. Then the camera will capture our hand movements, and then it will go to the Arduino Nano, and Arduino Nano supply the all the instruction to PWM motor driver, which means pulse width modulation, which is under which is under the box. Then the pulse with modulation driver will capture that which hand I am moving and which hand type is on the way. If I am moving my wrist, if it is capturing my palm, then it will move the grip. Once it will charge, then I will show that how it is. Thank you, sir.
Sir, this is Team Alpha Robotics, and we have made these three models. First is smart radar system. This is offline chatbot, and this is
Algebraic
puzzle. And first this one, like Alexa and Google, this also work on that principle also, but we have faded some questions in it, like wake up,
How can I help you?
how large the school campus is.
The school campus is spread over approximately 2.5 acres.
Whatever you ask the question, it will answer. We have used VC02 and ESP.
Like if we ask some more questions with it, it will answer. Like if we ask what sports facilities are available in the school, what sports facilities are available in the school. Wake up, wake up.
Good morning.
What sports facilities are available in the school?
The school offers football, basketball, badminton, karate, and yoga.
Is medical facilities available in the school?
Yes, the school has an infirmary with emergency medical facilities.
Like actually this works on the principle of pre-coding. We have pre-coded some questions, and this will give answer which we have coded in this. Answer: this is radar system, this is ultrasonic sensor, this is TFT display. Inside it we have placed ESP32 Wi-Fi,
ESP32 Wi-Fi.
ESP32 Wi-Fi, and this is adapter. Okay. And see, sir, this is sensor. If we place something, like if we place this one nearby this, nearby this, it will detect so fast. Like this one.
Like you can show the screen.
You can see the screen. It is detecting so fast. See here, it is showing here the distance, how far the object is, or it will make the sound also. Like see, it will make sound so fast. So it is detecting so fast. Like its range is 230 centimeters. If the object is in the range, it will show it is in the range and how far the object is.
Thank you.
Thank you. And this is algebraic puzzle. This works on the principle of conductors, like closed circuit and open circuit. Like a plus b whole square, its formula is a plus b, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So the light will blow.
Yeah, sound low.
And if we add something else, like
Wrong answer.
wrong answer, it will not blow up. See the light, it is not blowing up. Okay, and if we tried up with a correct answer,
If we will try up with the correct answer, it will show the correct.
it will show the correct one. See, it is blowing up here. So this works on the principle of conductions, how we have conducted, how we have wired it up. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Sir, this is our project CCTV surveillance car. Sir, it is fully based on Wi-Fi module. Sir, it contains one ESP32 camera module as well as a motor driver which connect all the wheels to move in every direction freely. Sir, let me show you how it works. Connect. Sir, it is connected with a battery as well as a mobile. Sir, you can see it's working.
So then,
As well as live camera footage you can see. Sir, it is used in spy as well as the place where human cannot go easily with risk. Sir, as and sir, after making this project, the conclusion came out that technology can also help us like a human eye without any risk. Thank you, sir.
Good morning to one and all present here. I, Shanshi of class 5 Rose, the leader of Technomatic group. Our project is attendance management system. This is our project. This is the key which if we will punch this key in this, then this screen will unlock. And this is the RFID card. In this card there is one chip. In that from this chip, if we will punch here, then it will show the all informations of students like name, roll number, class, everything of students. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Aditya and I am representing my team, Nero Drive. Today we, Yuraj, Veer, Mayank, Saket and Golu are representing our project Obstacle Avoiding Car, which is totally based on artificial intelligence and robotics. This project works when ultrasonic sensor detect at the range of 20 centimeter and send the sound waves to microcontroller, and microcontroller sends to motorboat, and it sends to battery, and battery is of 5 volt that stops and take the obstacle and do right or left. Its benefit is that to reduce accident, to save human effort and time. In future we can use and implement in vehicles and in big cost to save accident from train, where if at the front of train in any object is coming, then it will detect from obstacle from ultrasonic sensor and stop it. We are showing it that this is working. When any obstacle will come in front of this, then it will stop and find a safe path. If there will be no safe path, then it will stop fully. In conclusion is that we know how machine can sense and take decision one by one. Thank you.
Okay. Good morning, sir. This one is the prosthetic hand, fully AI based. This one is made for the AI. This one is made for handicapped people. Of course, sir. We are showing you in this way, na. See, for example. Just like this way, it will work. Sir, we are just showing the structure of this, okay? By this, if you have to make the it work for handicapped people, so there will be a magnet inside this. Coding will be done, and after that coding, this will be work. Actually, hang कर रहा है. Wait. सर, इसका बनाने का मेन मोटो यही है कि कोई भी जो भी लोग हैं उनमें हैंडीकैप से उनको ये फील ना हो कि वो सोसाइटी से अलग हैं. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. We have made safety glasses in science exhibition. we have made this mainly for the blind people. Those who are blind, we have made for them only this. In this we have used Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, a power bank with its cable and jumble wires. It is mainly for the blind people. We have made them. We have made them for going one place to another place. You can see here one object is there. That's why it is beeping. If here the no object will there, it will not beep. You can see it is not continuously beeping because it is not in the near. Now it's come near, then it will beep continuously. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. This is me, Vaishnavi, the pride captain of this team, Wizners, and we have made Wi-Fi enabled car.
The car consists of a Node MCU which has inbuilt Wi-Fi features to control the car through a mobile app. It also has a motor driver to control the speed and direction of the car. All the components of the car are located together on the cases. It is very beneficial to us. It has many uses in the future.
In future, with the help of AI and robotics, we can install their cameras and sensor. Like if we have speed breaker here, if car will come here, with the help of sensor, it can stop here or it can change its direction.
It is controlled remotely, or if you want, you can also drive the car. It is also used in militaries, and if you are going in some way, if there is some problem, it will give alert in your phone. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to our exhibit. This is our working model of home automation.
Home automation means controlling home appliances like light, fan, or even curtain and door using technology.
The components used are relay module, Bluetooth module, Arduino Uno, jumper wires, and a light bulb.
Now I will show how it works.
Nova, turn on the light. The light will turn on.
Nova, turn off the light.
Nova, turn off the light.
Nova, turn off the light.
The light will turn off.
This helps us to understand how electricity helps us in smart, safe, and efficient ways at home.
Home automation saves electricity, saves times, and makes our home smart.
Thank you, sir, for visiting our exhibit. I hope you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Vaibhav Vikas Pandey from grade 8, and today I am here with my friends who helped me to make this working model. The name of this working model is Smart Irrigation System. Smart Irrigation System is an advanced method of watering crops and landscapes that uses real-time data and technology instead of traditional method. Smart Irrigation System apply right amount of water at right time and in right place. To make this model, we need some components like Node MCU, soil moisture sensor, water pump, battery, and a relay module. We have used jumper wires instead of solderings. The soil moisture sensor detects the moisture in the soil, and when there will be less moisture, then it will send message to the relay module and Node MCU, the microcontroller. Then it will allow the pump to give water to the soil. But when it will detect that now moisture is present and it is good for plants, it will again send a message to microcontroller and the relay module, and the water pump will stop giving watering. This helps in farmers in every way. For example, it helps without wastage of water. They can do their other works with doing this work. They don't need to always do and roaming here and there for looking the plant. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Shreyans of grade 6, the captain of Team Error. Today we are here to represent our project weather station with the team of Pranjal, Ananya, Ayu, Aradhya, and I who work on this model to monitor temperature, humidity, and rain. Our weather station is helpful in agriculture and disaster management. Now I would like to call my teammate Pranjal to tell more about this project.
I, Pranjal of grade 6, is here to tell more about this project. This project is about weather station. There are 5 components used in our project. The first, this is microcontroller, the brain of our project, Node MCU ESP8266. Second,
This is raindrop module that detects the rain. Third, this is DHT11 sensor that detects the temperature and humidity. Fourth, this is OLED that displays the output. Fifth, they all are connected through jumper wires. And the main motive of this project is to know the live environment, whether it is raining or not, what is the temperature and what is the humidity now. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Abhishek from class 6 Rose. Myself Abhishek and I am from class 6 Rose. This is my team Robo Explorers. I am here to represent my project, our project. This is laser security system. The components which are used in our project will be explained by Abhinav.
Good afternoon, sir. The components are used: buzzer, battery, Arduino Uno, laser light, and LDR sensor. When the light is blocked by the robber, then the buzzer will start busy. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arpit Raj from class 6. I am the captain of this team, Team Tech Genius. We are very excited today to present our new science project on the basis of laser home security system. In the world, security system is a major concept to solve this problem. We designed a laser home security system. It helped to protect our home from thief. I want to call Aditya Kumar Keshri that tell about more this project.
In this project, there are 5 main components: Arduino Uno, LDR sensor, battery, jumper wires, and laser light. It is a security setup uses invisible laser beam to protect an area. When someone or something interacts the path of light, this immediately sets off an alarm or send a warning. This is a modern and affordable way to keep our home and restricted areas safe all day and night without anyone seen. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, esteemed principal sir, teacher and distinguished judges. I, along with my partner Shreshi, going to demonstrate our team scientific sagas with our another teammates Anya and Ananya. And this is actually a RC plane. An RC plane is a radio controlled aircraft that operates without a pilot with using transmitter. The main objective of this project to make is to understand the principles of aerodynamics, electronics and flight control, and to stable, lightweight, efficient RC plane. So now, to learn more about this, I want to handle this mic to my partner Shreyashi.
Components used in this plane are BLDC motor, ESC, servo motor, RC transmitter and receiver, and propeller. The working principle of an RC plane is mainly used in aerodynamics, electronics and the air movement. It works by converting the remote control signals, electrical energy into the motion and lift.
The application of this is aerial photography, hobby flying, defense and training, and it's mainly used for educational purpose to understand the electrics things to understand the students. We have learned many things about this and learned about the teamwork, and thank you so much for visiting our work.
Hello everyone, my name is Manikant Kumar. I'm a STEM trainer and I'm basically from Bangalore. And I'm here as a STEM trainer in this Oxford public school. And here we had a 7 days workshop wherein students learn different technologies like AI, IoT, artificial intelligence, how Internet of Things works, how things communicate with each other, how they share data on Wi-Fi. We have so many projects for, like, one project was smart irrigation, when students learn how you can utilize the water efficiently for your farmland. We had a Wi-Fi controlled car where students how Bluetooth or Wi-Fi technology works, how the signal goes and how it is being processed, and then how it is being acted. And we had so many other projects like we had a RC plane where students learned about the aerodynamics, physics and whatever involved in making a remote aeroplane. and we had many other projects where students have experienced very good, and I'm really happy that students are engaging in these projects. As you know, these are the things which are the future of our country. So they are getting hands-on experience on this in this school, and I would really thank our principal sir for making these things possible, and thank you everyone.